Greetings. Today I'm going to solve for you a sample ACT plane geometry/trigonometry mathematics question. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so the question asks you to solve for x given that the area is 120. So somewhere on your paper you should write A is equal to 120. That is, the area of this figure is equal to 120. Now you should look at this figure for a few seconds and analyze it. It looks like a trapezoid. Now, if you don't see that it's a trapezoid, you can picture it as two triangles, one over here, and a rectangle. But we'll get to that solution later. We're going to be focusing for our first solution that the figure is a trapezoid. So let's get to it. We see that this length, side length, or the hypotenuse of this right triangle is 10, and it has a base of 6. Using our Pythagorean theorem, we can easily find the height or the length of this base. So let's start off. So first things first, use the Pythagorean theorem to find this side. So we do 10 squared minus 6 squared is equal to, we're going to call it b. We're going to call this side b squared. And if you don't know how I did it, I just used the formula c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. C being the hypotenuse and A being one of the bases. I just subtracted A over and substituted the numbers 10 for C and 6 for A. We can go math this up and then we'll find that it has 64 equaling B squared. So therefore, B is going to equal 8. So you can draw and you can say that it's 8. So we know the height. So we know the height of our trapezoid. We know that height equals 8. Now, for the formula of a trapezoid, you need to memorize this. Area is equal to 1/2 h times the base 1 plus base 2. And here's the formula. So we have 1/2 h multiplied by base 1 plus base 2. And these are the lengths of the bases. And this is going to equal A. Well, now it's a matter of substituting in numbers. So let us substitute things. We already have A, so we're just going to say 120 is equal to 1/2 times h, which we already know. The figure, the height, is this b length that we already found using Pythagorean theorem. We have its length, so it equals 8. So we have 1/2 times 8 multiplied by base 1. Doesn't matter which one it is. We're just going to say this base, the longer base. It's 13 plus 6, which is 19. So we have 19 plus x minus 3. Because this base is x minus 3. Alright, so now we can do is we can simplify things. This 2 and this 8 is going to simplify. So you're going to have 120 is equal to 4 times 19 plus a negative 3 is the same as 19 minus 3. So it's going to be 16 plus x. Now you're going to divide the 4 from both sides. And you're going to get 120 divided by 4 is 30. So you're going to get 30 is equal to 16 plus x. And now, to isolate the variable, to find out what x equals, you subtract 16 from 30. Go all the way here, we get that x is equal to 30 minus 16. And 30 minus 16 is 13. So x equals 13. And there you go. The answer to this problem is J, 13. Hope you guys liked the video. More videos still to come on ACT mathematics problems. Thank you, and have a nice day.